Hi guys, it's me again. I will again unboxing. You see, I just woke up, but I'm excited. From AliExpress again. Let's see, what is this? Oh, you can read income too. Would you do anything for me? Buy a big diamond ring for me? Would you put down on your knees for me? Pop a pretty question right now, baby. My next TikTok. This one I bought for my white dress. I have so many clips now. Like this. There, but how ba? Wrong pala, wrong. Like that. What is this? White hair? Ano yun? Joke only. I'm thinking white hair. Then you have to make like that. This for my TikTok. This, you know, prima donna girl, would you do anything for me? Buy a big diamond ring for me? Would you put down on your knees to me? Papa, pretty question. I need practice first how to use this. Next. Headband again. I have already so many headbands. I think I have more than 20 headbands. It's the same like, paano ba to? This pala also. The red one, so it's more visible. Like this. Later I will make a TikTok, you know. What is the TikTok again? Wait, I forgot. I'm writing here. I'm writing here. Not everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. Boy, you stay upon it. You got that something that make me so imbalanced. Baby, what is that? Baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Like that. I need practice. How to use this? I have so many hair clips and design because, you know, I know I'm already a woman. I'm adult, but I'm you know, I'm a girly like that. Mm. Ah, yeah, ay ganyan ba? Ay, this one. I'm so excited. I'm still in sleeping. Why one? Would you do anything for me? Aray ko. Ay, yung pala may nakasama. I don't like the quality. It's not really that good. I was thinking to buy this one or what is the pink one for my birthday. I was thinking if this one or the color pink, what I have ordered for my birthday, diba? Paid by my friend. I will try this, but I cannot try here. I will try alone. So thank you. That's all. Bye bye. This is look first my. It's like that. You have to pick like this, you know, and then like that. Like that. You know, here on my YouTube, I like to be natural, no makeup, nothing. Because in my TikTok, I put always makeup. Maybe when I go outside, you don't know me anymore. Oh my God, my lips. Very white. Okay, bye-bye.